Adam.
Little desk on the first floor.
Yeah.
Second floor. Going up.
So we're still vacant. We're back up to the roof. This is the Distillery complex. These are brand new Otis Gen3 elevators and they're very tall.
Level R.
4,000 pound pad in this one.
That's weird. Emerald control cabinet. It's where this one sticks out. This one's a little more accessible. This one has center opening doors. This one close enough can be it.